drive around block here. We'll see how this goes. Just take it real easy, real slow. Alright. Real easy, real slow. So far, so good. Bit of spooling, so that's nice. Temperature 196 volts, 13.7. Both fans are on. That's probably why. IAC is about yeah, IAC is okay. Let's go around the block here. Right now we're in vacuum, no boost. Hopefully this thing doesn't stall. We'll see. Spooling, guys, that's good. That's a good sign. A little bit of spooling. Okay, we got some spool. I was at about 2 psi right there. Blow off valve went, so that's a good sign. So that's working. Both fans are on. IAC's in the right position. We got 13.8. Yeah, so okay guys, so this looks like, this looks promising. Yep, okay. I think we're okay. Nice. So I just wanted to go around a block just to make sure everything is working. Looks like it is. Temperature is 198. Air fuel looks about right. Okay, so that's awesome. So it's a good first drive. Just put it back because I just wanted to test everything out. Lights are working. Okay, so we got turbo. That's good. That's a good sign, guys. Again, this is just my first drive out of the garage since the new manifold and the new cold side, or you know, I reconfigured some of it so to make it better. So that's good.